Secrets, and today I'm testing a new product that came out, a new software. It's called Magic List Bot, and it's actually pretty cool. I'm going to show you how it works. It allows you to advertise using other people's websites and the popularity of their websites to help close your sale and give you credibility. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try advertising a free viral ebook on a YouTube video, and I'm going to see how it works here. So I found a YouTube video that is pretty popular. It's got, top rating. It's got, 250,000 views. So I'm going to copy this YouTube address for this video. I'm going to paste it into this software here. This is the website that I want to advertise on. And this is pretty cool. I just did it on another site, and it worked pretty well. So it only takes about an hour to set up everything on this to make it work. But let me see. And then the page title. Let's see. Super offer. Let's see. That's going to be my page title. Now my pop-up code. If you decide to get Magic List Bot, it also comes with another software called Magic Pop-Up, and I've already loaded it. You put your autoresponder code in here, or you can put a Twitter pop-up code in here or something. Whatever you want, however you want your subscribers to follow you, either follow you on Twitter or follow you by email or whatever, or you can just leave that blank and you can just advertise. Now I've written a short ad to save time already, and this is for a free viral ebook that has an offer at the end of the book that gives me an opportunity to make a little bit of money off of this free book. And it's called, and so I titled it "The Greatest Money Magnet of All Time, Guaranteed," and it's free. And then it just tells a little bit about this free book. Okay, now it's just going to be a small pop-up. I'm going to leave the dimensions. This is 304 by 430 is what I got here. Now, at the top here it says you can use a standard pop-up or a lightbox pop-up. I tried the lightbox pop-up, and it makes the pop-up stand out and everything else goes gray, but you can't scroll on anything else, and it's a big distraction. So I decided I don't like that. I like the standard pop-up and stick it over on the right so it just looks like an ad. It just looks like a regular ad, and it's big enough that people will notice it, but on the other hand, it doesn't affect their scrolling on the web page. And if you're putting this on one of your websites, you don't want to completely distract them from what your website is or a video on your website. So I want to keep it over to the right so it looks like an ad, and it looks like, and I'm going to make this ad on a YouTube video. So I've already got my autoresponder code in here, and I'm going to generate this code, and it generates the code down here. Okay, well, let me, I might have generated a double code. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this over. Let's go select all, backspace. Okay, now we're gonna regenerate it. And I decided to use a custom color with a little blue background just so it gets noticed a little bit. So I'm gonna generate the code. Then I'm gonna copy this code, and I'm gonna stick it over here in this pop-up code right here. That's all I do. And then I can tweet a message to get some traffic from Twitter to this. Let's just put, I've already sent a couple tweets today testing Magic List Bot, so I'm just gonna tweet another one. Another test of Magic List Bot. Magic List Bot. Okay, and then I'm going to say hilarious video. That'll get somebody's attention, even if they don't even if they don't know what I'm talking about, the hilarious video, that's going to attract some attention. So then I just click next. Okay, and I've already got my hosting account. This is where this site's going to be hosted from, and the file name is going to be testing bot 1. Testing bot 1 is going to be the file name, and then I'm going to upload that to my server. So if you don't have the creators of Magic List Bot are going to have a hosting for you if you don't have your own hosting account for this software. But if you have your own hosting account, you just put in your information. That way you're hosting this on your website if you have one, or you can host on theirs. So I'm going to upload this file to mine, because this is going to actually go through my site, and then I don't need to copy it because I'll be able to find it anyway. So anyway, and then I'm going to, okay, so this is the page link, testing bot. Wait a minute. Okay, the page link. Let me go back, make sure I got the Twitter. Okay, I got the YouTube website. Okay, next. Okay, so now, and I'm already, when you first get this, you want to authorize in the Twitter. You want to set up a Twitter account and authorize yourself in. And then I've got my page link in here. So all I have to do is generate a tweet, and it's going to put what I had on the other page here. And then it's also going to have a tiny URL version of the YouTube video that I just got, so people won't actually recognize it. So we can go look at this and see what it looks like before I actually post this tweet. So I'm going to copy this. I'll open a browser here and post this in here. And see what it looks like. Okay, so it takes me to YouTube.
Hey guys, we just want to make
and here's my ad over here. The greatest money magnet of all time, and it's free. So while people are watching this, they'll think this is part of YouTube. And if they decide to get my book, not only will I capture their email address, but so this is pretty cool. So people are thinking that they're just looking at YouTube video, and okay, this is a pretty funny video, but that's not why we're here. Anyway, here's my ad on YouTube. This is just totally awesome. It's actually going through my server, and it's just showing YouTube through my server. But this is what I'm going to advertise. So I can tweet this, or send them to my link for this. Let's see here. Okay, so this tiny URL address is what I'm going to put in an email ad. So I'll put an email ad, or I can put up a, or I'm going to post this to Twitter also. So see, success, tweet has posted. So I've put another test of Magic List Bot hilarious video, and then when if they click on this link on Twitter, it's going to bring them to right here. Now another thing I'm going to do is use this. Say I could say I want to do an email like let's go. I have an account with Target Pro Blaster, which is a safe list. So I can just blast out an email. Sign this up. Okay, so, oops. Okay, Now I'm just going to go to my credit mailer and I'm just going to blast an email. Hilarious video